Good. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply log on apps in iPhone without any third-party software. Just open shortcut apps is a default apps of iPhone. If don't have, you can download and install it. Shortcut. I open the shortcut apps. Then automation. Then create personal automation. In personal automation, we can select apps. Then choose an apps. I select some of app that index and Argo. Then done. Then next, in action tab, you write here lock screen. Then next, ask before running, toggle for uncheck. Then done ask. Then done. Now try to open the apps. It lock my screen. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.